Alright, today we're shooting the craziest drone footage in London.
Facing TV, sleeping control.
He wasn't displaying a number plate, he's flipped it down.
Alright, that was some crazy footage. Probably illegal, but let's see what the boys are saying. Alright, how you feeling?
I'm always good.
Okay. Okay.
I'm always ready.
That was a bit weird, isn't it? That was a bit weird. Oh, fucking hell, he's got the goggles already. How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling?
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for this project. Have never done this. No one have ever attempted this one before. Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Just do that again. I wasn't filming.
Yeah.
The light. Look at the light. Production.
What drone is that?
Modified thing.
It's modified, isn't it?
Take off wherever you want.
Allah!
Yeah, you know that Muslim friend that just ain't got no chill. But let's see what happened before we got to Epping Forest. It's been a minute since I've done one of these little moto vlogs. But yeah, today we're gonna be shooting for the new hoodies we have dropped. If you don't know already, we started a movement called UK on the Map. I've been preaching this for time now. We got a ride out coming soon. I'm not used to talking into the camera, I can't lie. It's been a minute. It has been a minute. We got a ride out coming out. We got a ride out coming soon. We got the fairings coming soon too. Life is looking good, yeah. Yes. Yeah, so I just wanted to speak on this St. George's cross flag, whatever the flag is, a little bit.
England's government wants to ban the English flag. You heard that right.
We will move on because a second council has begun removing English and British flags.
Personally, I'll fly my flag with pride, no problem.
These are the streets of Birmingham, and what you're looking at is a movement that's been gathering momentum online.
Whose country is it? This is England. It's disgusting. Absolutely disgusting.
This is under threat.
Been taken over by foreigners.
It's a bit of a mazza. Apparently they're putting them up and the council are coming along and taking them down, or people are getting arrested. But yeah, I'm a little bit ignorant on the situation. I just kind of find all the reels and everything that's going on a bit funny. I know the Crusaders used to hang that flag. Don't really rate the Crusaders too tough like that, but you know, people can do what they want to do, innit? It's a free country. Alright, these roads are so nice. Like, look at this. I don't even think we can't be in London. There's no way this is London. It would be so nice to absolutely ping it down this road, bro. You have no idea. I can't see nothing. Oh my god, the sun is beaming on the Ross Clark. Oh my god. He just sent me a new location. You can't hear me, can you? Oh, look at this. Oh my god. What the? Yo, these roads are amazing. Oh my god, they're active. Fucking hell. Where the fuck? Oh my god. What the fuck? This shit is so random. What the fuck? What is going on? But yeah, we then stopped off at a petrol station and PK had some interesting words to say.
No, we're gonna go in the bush.
But yeah, after his bush antics, we met up with Maty at Epping Forest and a frog apparently.
Oh, you vlogging this?
Fuck yeah, that's content.
I hope he knows where them trees are.
Yo, Buster. I just want to
Fucking hell, man.
He fucking
Oh no, man.
Drone down. I can't see shit myself.
One's gone. I knew it, bro. That's not mine.
One propeller. Luckily the drone wasn't that damaged. I think only one propeller broke, which means we could still continue the night or the early morning because at this point it is about 2 a.m. But after assessing the drone, we found a little friend. My man picked up a frog, bro. What's good? Lad, he's just chilling.
I'm gonna throw it at Gringo.
No, don't throw it at him. Like...
I'm gonna give him a gift.
Don't put.
Oh my god!
Oh, don't dislike him. I ain't got anything against.
What's his name?
This
Gringo.
is DMG.
Gringo.
Okay.
And after meeting our new friend, I had to make it all the way back to central London without any low beams at all. I don't know if you know already, but I completely removed the middle headlight in the R7, and the low beam lights I replaced it with are currently not working how they should be. Hello, this thing 1, 2, 3, man. Look at my right. It works. Come on. Oh, I can't see shit. Alright, boys. I can't see none. Bruv, if I was here alone, I'd be dead. But yeah, we just finished up testing everything out. We learned a lot we need to improve. I can't see nothing. Oh my. Yeah, obviously I'm trying to take the YouTube channel in a different direction. Like, I need to be able to monetize. Like, that's the only way I can do what I love to do. More like a different style on the YouTube channel. And then on Patreon, I know I've been slacking on the Patreon, but on Patreon we're gonna try and do the similar vlog style that we're used to doing now. Obviously the unblurred version as well, so you're gonna get all the wheelies and the madness all on the Patreon.
What you listening to?
Waze. What am I listening to?
Ah, these are. Alright.
Do you want to go Tesco's before it closes?
Yeah.
But yeah, me and Gringo grabbed a few bits and bobs from Tesco's and then ended up meeting Ameer, PK and Maty in a car park not too far away. Alright, boys and girls, we're gonna do the drone shots now.
Council, yeah?
Can do, yeah. Let's try the other one first, Hendon Street.
You lead in it.
Is this a good street for you?
I saw a few security guys over there. That's not an issue because they are just securing the shops.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna
go there. You wanna go there?
I think we're gonna go over there.
Okay. Do you wanna start the drone from where?
So I'm gonna fly the drone from here.
What direction do you
Sorry,
wanna go? What direction? Do you want us to go that way or that way?
I'll have to go and go up and look, but I think I'm gonna come down from here and then you guys gonna join and then we're gonna go up until, you know, that signal.
Yeah, okay.
Safety TV, sleeping control.
He wasn't displaying a number plate, he's flipped it down.
Alright, boys and girls, me and Gringo have started a movement called UK on the Map, where we're going to be hosting a ride out hopefully every month in a different city. We started a website, obviously we had to bring the clothing out too, do you know what I mean? So make sure you go over there, go pre-order your hoodie. You can either pick it up at the ride out or we will ship it to you. But yeah, support the thing, support the movement. Let's get the UK popping, you know what I'm saying?